Thank you very much. Now, let's try to read by sentences. I'm going to say the sentence and then you repeat after me. The Tamaulipas International Festival is celebrated every October all around our state. In it we can experience dance, music, and singing. In other words, every artistic discipline. People from many countries in the world come to Tamaulipas to perform their traditional dances. Okay, now let's have Solis, can you read the first sentence?